In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses in ClickUp. Managing your workflow is crucial, and sometimes refining the task statuses in your ClickUp spaces can help streamline your projects. Let's dive right into it with a step-by-step guide to help you efficiently delete statuses in ClickUp. First, take a look at the left sidebar of your ClickUp interface. Here, you'll see a comprehensive view of your spaces, folders, and lists, which are the primary containers for organizing your tasks. Navigate carefully and hover over the specific space, folder, or list where you have the status you need to remove. It's important that you start this process inside the correct scope, whether it's a space-wide configuration or specific to a particular folder or list, because statuses are often different depending on their context. Next, you'll see a small icon featuring 3 dots, known as the ellipsis icon, beside the name of the space, folder, or list you're focusing on. Click on this ellipsis icon to bring up a menu of options. These options allow you to perform various actions within your chosen scope. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Settings. This option will direct you to a more detailed settings interface where you can fine-tune your workspace or project setup. Within the settings, look for task statuses, or, if you're working on a list, it might say List Statuses. Click on this option to proceed to the Statuses modal window. This is where all the action happens with statuses. Once you're inside the Statuses modal, you'll see a list of all the statuses currently associated with your project at this level. Carefully identify the specific status you want to remove from this list. Each status will have its own ellipsis icon beside it, which, once again, is your gateway to additional actions. Click on the ellipsis next to the status you wish to delete, and select the Delete option from the drop-down that appears. This action will prompt a visual change, indicating the selected status is marked for deletion. The last step is to ensure that all your changes are applied to the system. You need to click Apply Changes at the bottom of the modal. This action saves your updates and ensures the status is removed from the workflow. It's essential to remember this final action. Otherwise, the deletion will not be effective and your status will remain unchanged. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to delete statuses in ClickUp, helping you to maintain a clean and organized workspace. Keeping your statuses relevant to your current workflow can significantly enhance productivity and declutter your task management system. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in your ClickUp journey.